due to the Ryzen 9 CPU and Nvidia का GPU, this laptop is a performance beast. But one more special feature about this laptop is this awesome RGB lights. So my previous vlog was my last vlog that was edited in this HP EliteBook 840 G1, but now मेरा ये अनबॉक्सिंग वाला vlog edit होने वाला है in this Asus ROG Strix G15 gaming laptop. So welcome back to my channel everyone, I hope you are doing great. So time is going on, let's start the unboxing, but let me just clear one point that I am not a professional unboxer, so please don't expect professional level of unboxing with me. This is a vlogging channel, I just create vlogs about my life and all that. So let's start the unboxing of this Asus ROG Strix G15 gaming laptop. And by the way guys, this is the re-unboxing of this Asus ROG Strix G15 because it was an open box delivery. It means the delivery guy opened this package in front of me to just check for any kind of damage and all that, but it was an awesome perfect package and thumbs up for the packaging. So I'm just sorry for the mistakes in advance because maybe कुछ mistakes हो सकते हैं. So this is the front. यहाँ पे बड़े शब्दों में लिखा गया है for those who dare. If you guys can see here in the reflection of the light, for those who dare. और यहाँ पे ROG का symbol है. Then on the right side we have this some QR code. On the left side we have nothing but just a small sticker of G edition. Then on the top we have this ROG ka symbol, then a holder to just hold this box and the ROG Strix ka branding. Then on the bottom we have this some extra QR codes once again, और box के पीछे की side we have this extra sticker जहाँ पे लिखा है इसकी price and branding, then imported by, marketed by, manufactured by and all that. Then on the left, मतलब पीछे की side left side में we have some of these extra features. So ये laptop का model नंबर है G15 13QC. Then it is the Eclipse Grey version, then LCD, then CPU, GPU, hard drive, RAM and all that. बस पूरे box में एक ही tape थी जो कि है this Asus की original tape of course. Now I'll just open this box, and as we open this box, here we have our beautiful Asus ROG Strix G15. आपको फील हुआ हो तो this laptop comes up when we just open the box. As you can see here, if I'll just put this box closed, then it is on the ground level. अगर मैंने box को खोला, then just have a look, laptop थोड़ा सा push करके ऊपर आता है. So let's just keep it aside, and in the main compartment we have this some paperwork for the Asus, my Asus, then ROG Strix Gaming Edition notebook PC, in short user manual, और वो सब है जो आजकल कोई पढ़ता है नहीं of course. Then on the right side we have this Asus का charger which was technically packed in this poly wrap, but as you all know it was an open box delivery, so मुझे सब खोल के चेक करना पड़ा. इस the charger एकदम compact और एकदम छोटा सा एकदम shiny सा चार्जर है Asus का. So let's just keep it aside. Then उसके अलावा we have this पावर कॉर्ड केबल, और पावर कॉर्ड केबल से मुझे एक बात थोड़ा सा डाउनसाइड लगा दैट इस पॉलीथीन पे थोड़े बहुत नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा पे स्क्रैच है, बस दिस वाज द होल डाउनसाइड ऑफ द होल लैपटॉप. आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट. दिस आर सम ऑफ द मेन्यूज. दैट इज Asus ROG Strix गेमिंग नोटबुक पीसी. देन पीछे कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन दी है. इफ यू गाइस वांट टू रीड देन जस्ट pause the video and you guys can read it. And here we have one more menu, that is Asus ROG Strix. Once again just pause the video and you guys can read it. And the last thing is this Asus everything you need a perfect PC experience. Then same है, just in short कुछ एक काम की चीज़ नहीं है. So now let's just quickly unwrap this beast laptop. और यहाँ पे front में लिखा है ROG Strix G15 और 17 raise your game, play with style. Then some of the feature which is this 144 Hz का display and adaptive sync. Then Aura Sync, light it up with Asus Aura Sync with metal thermal compound. Then WASD 4 zone RGB keyboard with highlighted WASD keys. Then 100 watt का Type C का charging. Then 2-way AI noise cancellation and Dolby Atmos crystal surround sound. And this HDMI. For some more information, you guys can just scan this QR code. But jokes apart, now let's just open this beast. और ये खोलते हुए मुझे काफ़ी एकदम प्रीमियम वाली फील आई थी just because of this polythene. And when we open this, here we have let's talk about some technical specifications of this laptop, and this laptop is powered by AMD Ryzen 9 का processor, means AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX का processor is inside this laptop. Then the GPU is NVIDIA का RTX 3050 with 4GB of graphic card, means इसका graphic card 4GB का है, and the RAM inside this laptop is 16GB RAM, 4GB का graphic card and 1TB of SSD, and the RAM is expandable up to 32GB if you want to just expand the RAM of this beast. Let's go through this laptop. Then on the right side we have nothing but just air exhaust, जहाँ से इस लैपटॉप की गरम ठंडी हवाएं बाहर आ सकती है. Then on the left side we have the same air exhaust. Then यहाँ पे दो type A के USB है, then a 3.5mm का microphone jack. Then on the back here we have all the main ports, but same right or left में दो air exhaust है. Then here we have one more type A का USB, then type C का USB for the display output and in case for the charging of this laptop. Then a HDMI port and a LAN port and plus a charging port. Now let's just open this beast और मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि what is so special about this Asus ROG Strix G15. Let's have a look. Now I'll just power on this laptop. Just have a raw feel. Republic of Gamers यहाँ पे लिखा गया है, and within just like few seconds, means अभी hardly 8 seconds हुए होंगे और ये लैपटॉप बूट अप भी हो गया है. And today is 12th of September and the time is 3:30 of course. So this is the screen we get, or the RGB lights are off as you can see here. But now let's just open the Asus का Armoury Crate application, special lighting effects of this keyboard. So now one main thing about this laptop is the weight. So ये laptop का weight है 2 kg and 10 out of it 2 kg and 100 grams. But this laptop feels quite a bit heavy because currently I was using this HP का EliteBook 840, so like उससे कंपेयर में ये लैपटॉप मुझे थोड़ा बहुत हैवी लगता है. Due to the Ryzen 9 CPU and NVIDIA का GPU, this laptop is a performance beast. But one more special feature about this laptop is this awesome RGB lights. Currently they are on their full brightness, but अभी like रूम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा lights है, इसीलिए they are not like much brighter, but really very bright and देखने में भी काफ़ी दिल को अच्छा लगता है. ना जस्ट ओपन द कर्टन्स, वरना मैं नहीं दिखूंगा. सो या गाइस, आई थिंक दैट्स इट फॉर द अनबॉक्सिंग वाला पार्ट. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग माय अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ दिस Asus ROG Strix C15 गेमिंग लैपटॉप. बाकी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब कर लो, वो बेल आइकन दबाओ, एंड प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, नाम है मिस्टर व्लॉगर. सो मैं आप लोगों से मिलूंगा पुष्ट सुबह 9 बजे. देन गुड बाय सानारा एंड that's with Anya, and yeah, my all new Asus ROG Strix. I'm so happy for this, but anyways, that's with that.